Hi students, I'm back again to teach you this time properties of multiplication of integers. My name is Clinton Ashley Sullivan and I have been in the teaching profession for the last 29 years. I hope this video will help you understand the properties involved in multiplication of integers. The first property that we have here is the closure property. Now, what is this closure property? Listen very carefully and watch what I am showing you very intently. If A and B are any integers, then A multiplied by B is also an integer. Take for example 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are integers. Therefore, 2 multiplied by 3, which gives you 6, is also an integer. So, number 6 is also an integer by virtue of the closure property, which says that 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 6. For that matter, you can take any integers. Take, for example, 3 and 7, or 3 and minus 7. 3 multiplied by minus 7 will give you minus 21, because 3 sevens are 21 and minus into plus gives you minus, according to the convention rule, the sign convention rule I should say. We come to the next property, the commutative property. What does the commutative property say? It says if A and B are any two integers, then A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. Very simple. If 2 and 3 are the two integers, then 2 into 3 is also equal to 3 into 2. Because 2 into 3 gives you 6, 3 into 2 also gives you 6. Basically, it's the reverse of the integers in the right hand side of the equal sign, and both the sides are equal. Associative property. Associative means to come together. So if A, B and C are any three integers, then A multiplied by open bracket B into C close bracket is the same as or equal to A into B within brackets into C. For example, if I take 2 as A, B equal to 3 and C equal to 4, then 2 into 3 is 6, right? Or rather 2 into 3 into 4. So 3 into 4 gives me 12. 12 into 2 gives me 24. Here 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. So the result in both cases is the same. This is the associative property. The fourth is the distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Now, what does this mean? It means that if A, B, C are three integers, any three integers, then A into open bracket B plus C is the same as A multiplied by B, that's shown here, plus, this plus sign is coming from here, and A into C. So actually what we are doing is, this character here or this number here is being multiplied with whatever is in the bracket. Now what is in the bracket? We only have two numbers or two integers in the bracket. Over here there is a number that is represented by B, and over here there is another number represented by C. So if this is 2 and this is 3, that is 5. So we will not add it in the bracket and then remove it from the bracket. We will follow the distributive property, which says that this multiplied by this. So this is 2, this is 3. And if this is 5, so 5 into 2, 5 into 2 plus 5 into 3, 5 into 3. Similarly, if it can be done with the plus sign or the addition sign, it can also be done with the subtraction sign in the same way. So these are the 4 main properties that we have as far as the properties of multiplication of integers is concerned. And then we have 2 more which come under the group of properties of multiplication of integers. The next one is the multiplicative identity. The multiplicative identity basically is nothing but a number that multiplies with 1 will be that number itself. Take any number. 100 into 1 will be equal to 100. Or we can say 100 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by 100, which gives you 100. And the next is the multiplication property of 0. We know very well that anything multiplied by 0 always gives you a 0. So if you take 100 multiplied by 0, it is the same as 0 multiplied by 100, which will give you a 0. Anything multiplied by a 0 will give you a 0. So whatever be the number, whatever be the variable, in algebra, for example, we take x and multiply it with 0, we get a 0. In arithmetic, if we take any number, 5, 10, 100, any number, 1 lakh, 1 crore, multiplied by 0, it is the same as 0 multiplied by that number, which ultimately gives you a 0. So these properties of multiplication of integers is very important for us to remember. I hope this video will help you understand better what multiplication of integers is all about. Thank you very much.